friends. I am here to share my experience regarding the FCAT exam, the pattern of examination, that how I have approached my examination, how I am able to just crack the examination view of the FCAT, right? So first of all, I want to discuss about the FCAT exam. As we all know that it consists of 200 marks, right? 300 marks. Sorry, yeah, 300 marks and 100 question each of 3 marks, and negative of 1 marks for each question, right? And after that, when we approach the question, you will approach the question that it will approx 30 to 35 question will of from the reasoning section, and 18 question is from the quantitative aptitude, and 20 to 20 and 50 remaining 50 question is from 25 to English, 25 to 30, or 20 question from reasoning GS section, right? GS section, it will consist of the history part, history portion mainly, and some geography, history, geography, polity, or you can say that major 3, these will be covered, and some the general topic that first in the India climb that have happened, the first or latest, the person in news is type of some current affair, 2 or 3 questions it will consist of, right? So the best approach to solve the question or to crack the FCAT exam is to first try to approach from the reasoning section, right? Because it will consist of 32 to 33 question at most, and if you will just see the pattern, then it will be just holding all the things in a pure sincerely manner in the type 4 to 5, yeah, 4 to 5 type of reasoning problems that they will contain, and it will consist of 34 questions, yes, 34 questions or 32 approx. And first one is will be the dot, yeah, 5 portion that I will discuss. First one will be dot portion, the dot figure reasoning ability, that will be very easy. If you will just look any of the YouTube channel, it will just go in your mind at once. No, you just need to practice 2 or 3 question, it will be sufficient, more than enough for that FCAT exam. It will just secure 18 marks, right? 3 into 6. And next one we have the embedded figure, second one, that it will consist of 3 to 4 questions, and it will related to that part, 3 to 4 questions, that it will consist of 3 into 4, right? So 30, yeah, 18 plus 12, 30 marks. Next one we will have the completion of the figure. Completion of the figure will contain the 3 or 4 figure will be given, and as per the rotation wise or the anti-clockwise that will be given, and that will contain 2 or 3 questions, right? Then we have 13 to 14 question we have discussed. Now next, fourth pattern is of mirror image or water image, right, left or right inversion, या फिर top down inversion, you can say that. Then it will consist of 3 to 4. Then we will have 20 to 22 question, and remaining 5 to 6 question will consist of from the analogies, that will consist of the man or the human relationship, or the man organ, or each type of that type of bird, or what they eat, is this type of things, that you can say that the field in which we can say that the computer science, right? Computer science is from IT field, so they will say that from the mechanical or civil, which consist of which field. This type of question you can come up on that things. Next, I am going to tell the 4 to 20 30 question approx, and 4 question will offer, you can say that the syllogism type, syllogism type question that will contain, and the some relation will be given, just like some man, woman, and professions, like, and you will have to just secure the figure. It will just contain 10 to 12 question. You will just get practice enough for that, right? That the reasoning part will be covered as easily. You can secure easily, I can say that, if at least 90 marks out of 100 from just the reasoning section. So first of all, just approach just first out the reasoning section first. Now come upon the second point. We have the mathematical section. Mathematical section, it will consist of 18 question, and means basically it will focus on 2 to 3 topics, like first of one of average, second one of work, and third one of profit loss discount. That will be enough. These 3 topics will contain, and SP time, fourth one speed, time, distance, fourth one. That four part will consist of, and partnership, fifth one. Yeah, there's 4 to 5 year partnership will contain just 1 mark, 1 or 2 questions. Mainly we have to focus, 4 to 5 topic from the mathematics. It will consist of 18 question. Then if you will just revise the concept or some formula that we have, or just practice 2 to 5 question from each section, 20 to 25 question practice will be enough for those sections, right? So we will cover that portion in an easy way. Then we will have 50 question, 32 and 18. Yeah, we will have covered 50 question, we have covered already. Now remaining 50 question. For the remaining 50 question, we are just first we will approach from the English section. English section will consist of mainly 3 to 4 items and phrases question, 2 to 3 popular preposition type question, right? After out of 20 or 22 question from the 25 question from the English section, we will have 4 to 5 question from items and phrases, 3 to 4 questions from preposition, and 4 to 5 question is from error detection portion. That will consist of 12 marks question, 12 questions. Yeah, and remaining 5 to 6 question will the fillers type question. That paragraph will be given, it will say that which is the best suitable word from all the MCQs given, right? To 18 to 20 question these, and 3 to 4 questions are from spelling error, mistake, which is rightly spelled, which word is rightly spelled, and 1 to 2 is jumble word, or the jumble portion can be given. Yeah, the jumble word, but the jumble in English is not given, but the jumble in dictionary problem will be given in the reasoning section. Yeah, 1 to 2 question it will mainly consist of. And now it will cover all the 3 to 4 types. First one is items and phrases, second one is fillers, third one is prepositions, and fourth one is error detection, right? The fourth sentence will be given, you will have to find the error in each A, B, C, D in subsections of that sentence. Now it will consist of English portion is covered. Now the last you will have to go for the general science. Yeah, GKGS, the current affair mainly it will relate to 3 to 4 questions from sport, that the way this player is related to which sport, and most important trophies will be given, like Irani trophy is relating to cricket, Devda trophy relating to cricket, or some other football, that will be FIFA is related to which type of sport. This type of question will be given. And third one is from sports is the famous celebrity or the famous person from the different sports field, like Ronaldo is from which sports, or Messi is from which sport. These type of questions are randomly just asked from it. They're the famous personality type that we will have to focus for the, like. And most important one question is from the how many players will be played in each game. Just like the cricket, we all know that it will be 11, and the volleyball 6, of polo 4, and water polo 7. This type of question are randomly just it will be asked in only one question will be asked from this section, and it can be covered easily. Like 10 to 12 sports are hardly in our syllabus, I think. Yeah, and next we will come upon the next Mughal. Yeah, in history when we come for the 4 Mughal emperor will be important. There are 2 to 3 questions they will contain, and 2 to 3 questions from there, then 4 to 3 7. And next we will have to cover the other sections like politics. Yeah, political 2 to 3 questions will be covered from the famous forms of constitution, like from where, which country, which type of article do we have brought, which type of functions do we have brought from the other sources of article. Forms of for sources of article will be more important, and the committee that we have formed from the constitution. This type of the general questions will be asked from 2 to 3, and 2 to 3 questions will be asked from physics not. Yeah, chemistry will be asked, like allotropes of carbon, diamond is the allotropes of carbon. This type of questions will be formed, and there's 12 to 13 questions will be there, and 2 to 3 from biology, but it will not contain 1 or 2 maximum, but you can just leave it if you don't have time. It will be best for that, right? And 1 to 2 question is hardly from physics, that is scalar quantity, SI unit, candela, SI unit of what, these type of things, right? So that's physics question basic. Then that 20 question will be covered in this type of things, right? So we have discussed all the 100 questions relating to that we will have to attempt from the reasoning, then numerical ability. Third one will be English, and fourth one, last one will be GAGS, right? It will consist of 32 question reasoning, 18 question numerical ability, that will be math section, and for 18 25 to 25 question will be 25 to 26 from English, and 20 to 25 from GAGS section, you can say that. Yeah, because it will be much easier, and the cutoff will be expected out of 300 will be 160 to 170. Generally it has already been declared, or you can say that the pattern from the last 2 or 3 years is just like the same, so we can expect that it will be the pattern, right? And next one we will have just to focus on this type of patterns and attempt this type of question, just like as we have discussed. So it will be very easy to crack the FCAT examination, and then you will have to prepare for the SSB interview. So it will be better just first focus on the first round of examination, that is written examination from the FCAT. So thanks, and please go through this advice, and you will definitely be success in your examination. Thank you.